Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. Dashboards in Monday.com pull information from your boards into one place so you can track progress, spot trends, and share updates without digging through multiple views. We'll start from scratch, create a new dashboard, and add your first chart widget. So by the end, you'll have a living overview that updates automatically as your boards change. Begin on the Monday.com home screen. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the dashboard to live. In the workspace panel, look for the plus sign that lets you add something new. It's the quick way to create items tied to that specific workspace, which helps keep permissions and organization clean. Go ahead and click the plus sign. From the menu that appears, choose Dashboard. This tells Monday.com you're creating a high-level view rather than a board or doc. You'll be prompted to enter a dashboard name. Pick something clear and searchable. Include a team name, time frame, or key metric so people understand its purpose at a glance. When you're happy with the name, click Create Dashboard. You'll land on a blank dashboard canvas. To bring it to life, you need widgets. Click Add Widget. You'll see options for different types of widgets. Choose Create Chart. Charts are great for visualizing statuses, owners, timelines, and numbers from your boards, and they're easy to configure. Before the chart can show anything, it needs data. Click Connect Boards to get started. This opens a panel where you can choose which boards will feed your widget. Navigate to the main workspace so you can see its boards, then select the ones that hold the information you want to visualize. Connecting the right boards is key. Your chart reflects whatever lives on these sources. When you've made your selection, click Done. Your chart widget will load with default settings, and from here, you can fine-tune things like which columns to use and how to group or summarize data. If something looks off, double-check that you connected the correct boards and that the relevant columns like status, numbers, or people are filled in on those boards. You can always return to Add Widget to layer in more charts, metrics, calendars, or tables as your reporting needs grow. That's it. You went from home, clicked the plus sign in your workspace, selected Dashboard, named it, clicked Create Dashboard, added a widget, chose Create Chart, connected boards from the main workspace, and clicked Done. You now have a dashboard that updates in real time and helps your team stay aligned.